Today's video, we are replacing tail lights, going from these factory tail lights to these smoked LED halos. So I'm gonna find the remote. A lot of remotes in my pocket, but yeah, this is what we're working with. LED halo ring. Inside is like actual LED pieces. But yeah, all you need is a T15 Torx bit if you still got the factory screws, but they come with one Torx bit to hold each tail light. It's at the very top. There we go. I guess you can see. Hope you can see. But it's one screw up here. Once you get that out, you tilt the the tail light like this, and you lift up a little bit because it's got these two little notches right here. So that's what these tabs hold on to. So once you do that, you pull it out, undo the socket, and there you go. The new tail lights, these are real simple to work with. The LEDs, so they come with the resistor, so you don't have to deal with the fast flashing. And luckily, it's pre-wired, so you don't have to splice anything either. So the wires are already out in a plug. All you gotta do is plug that end into the plug from the resistor, and you're good to go. And it's a switch on here to switch from on and off, from just regular blinking to sequential. So these are supposed to be sequential. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the switch on all of these to on. That way, once it's up, everything will be sequential. And this just plugs in like a regular bulb. So super easy. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what they look like when all of them are on. May have had this set up wrong. So this is with the switch off. You get that deal. This is with the switch on. So apparently on does regular, off does sequential. So my bad. So we're gonna flip all these switches off. I should be able to reach back here, find this switch, flip it, and stuff should be different. There we go. So yeah, about to switch all these switches to off so we can do the sequential. And I slapped these other two in. Pretty dope. So tail lights are done. Old ones are out. New ones are in. Go ahead and unlock this real quick so you can see what we're working with. Back up some so you can see them both. There we go. So I guess the halo don't want to light up now. Go figure. Alright, turn the lights on. Because vets always want to play around. So flip these lights on. And there we go. Halos. So these are going to be your actual running lights. And when you hit the brakes, the inside part will light up. All of these individual LEDs in here light up. That's for brakes, signal, all of that, emergency lights. So signal won't work with the car off, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the hazards on. So you can see they do the sequential. Same with this side. Pretty dope. And these are the LED side markers that we did, I guess maybe a month or two ago. I really don't remember how long ago that was, but yeah. So sequential tail lights on, done. Pretty easy to install. All you need is a Torx T15 bit, and that's it. You get the right tail lights. It'll come with the plug, so for the resistor, so you don't have to worry about doing that, like wiring it or whatever. So that's it for that. So stick around for the next episode, or go back to some previous ones if you want to see how to do these headlights. Like if you want to just replace the lens in your headlights, or if you want to add new lenses, if you want to add new fog lights, or if you want to add halos in there, because these have halos. So stick around for all of that. And next up for this is LED edge lit emblems for the front and the back and underglow. So stick around.